The Quran stands as a beacon of guidance, enlightenment, unity, and healing in the heart of every Muslim. Through its teachings, the Quran promotes a balanced way of life, encouraging Muslims to seek knowledge, justice, and compassion. The act of reciting the Quran is not just an act of worship, but a powerful means of healing the soul and finding peace. The Quran's ethical teachings inspire Muslims to lead lives of honesty, integrity, and humility, striving for moral excellence. Unity and community are at the Quran's core, fostering a sense of belonging and brotherhood among Muslims worldwide. As a divine revelation, the Quran offers unparalleled wisdom, guiding Muslims through life's trials and tribulations with patience and gratitude. In essence, the Quran is more than a book. It's a living guide that continually nourishes the hearts and minds of the faithful.